Hey y'all, makeup freaks, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vale. Today we are going to do part 2 of my last week's video, and it's going to be the face portion, which is foundation, bronzer, blush, highlighter, so on and so forth. Let's jump in.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
We're going to start off by priming our face, and we are going to use the E.L.F Poerless Putty Primer. Now we're going to come in with our first base priming spray, and this one is from NYX. For today's foundation, we are going to use the Fit Me by Maybelline, and I am using shade 125 Nude Beige, and I am going to pair it with the NYX Hydratouch Oil and blend it in with my E.L.F Beauty blender.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
With our E.L.F 16-hour combo concealer in shade light peach, we are going to conceal under our eyes so we don't look like we're tired, because you know mama tired and no one needs to know that I'm tired, so let's hide them. With our Fenty Beauty setting powder in butter, we're going to use our Wet n Wild big fluffy brush to set the areas we just concealed. With our Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, we're going to come in and put it on the rest of our face. This is shade 130 in Buff Beige. And for this step, I'm going to be using the E.L.F Cosmetics 103 brush. With our Wet n Wild flat brush, we are going to clean off our setting powder. I just scared myself. I thought it was a ghost. We need to put some color up in this face. Let's put some bronzer on so we don't look like a ghost. So this is the Milani Sun Kiss Silky Matte Bronzer, and we are going to be using the Morphe E59. With our BH Cosmetic 125 brush, we are going to use our Fenty Beauty, and this is Penny for Your Thoughts, And this is actually a highlighter, but I'm going to use it as a blush. With our Morphe E44 flat brush, we are going to blend everything together. Blend, blend, blend. For highlighter, we are going to be using a highlighter by IBY Beauty, and this is called Radiant Glow Highlighter and 24 carats. And we are going to be using our Wet n Wild highlighter brush. For lips today, we are going to be using Wonder Kiss lip liner in Nude and a Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and this one is in Gloss Bomb. Okay, as you can tell, this lip liner was breaking off, and this is a great lesson to show you that even if it's an expensive lip liner doesn't mean it's necessarily good. You can get a Wet n Wild one for cheaper for $6. And last but not least, we are going to finish off with our Covergirl Outlast Active Setting Spray. And that is it for my video number 2 on how I finish off my face for my holiday look. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any questions for me or any comments, leave it in the comments section below. Go ahead and be sure to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss any new upcoming video. I love you all. Have a safe and happy holiday and Merry Christmas to everyone. I love you guys. See you next Wednesday at 2 p.m. Bye.